Hello everyone, my name is Alex from Lethargical, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. This is my first YouTube short, and we're going to just do a basic derivation problem. But first, start out the problem. F of x is equal to 3x cubed minus 5x squared plus 4x minus 7. Now, in order to do this, we need to use one method, which is the power rule. And the power rule is the derivative with respect to x of x to the n is equal to n times x to the n minus 1. Now this can be applied to each of these terms. So let's do it. So we have 3x to the third. What we want to do is take n and multiply it with x. So 3 times 3, x to the 3 minus 1. And you do that same thing for the others. So 2 times 5, the x 2 minus 1, plus 4 times, whoops, I forgot to do it, but basically 1 because it's x to the 1 times 4 times x to the 1 minus 0. And then finally, since this doesn't even have an x, so it's 0 times 7 to the x to the 0. Now, let's do 3 times 3, that's 9, 9x, 3 minus 1, so it's 9x squared. Same thing, 2 times 5 is 10, 2 minus 1 is just 1, which anything to the 1 makes it just anything, plus 4 times 1, which is just 4. And the thing about derivatives is that when you have a term with just x, you can basically just remove the x and that'll get the answer. So it's 4, and then if we have a constant, meaning that there's no variable associated with it, you can just remove it. So here's the case, multiplying by 0. So your final answer for the derivative of f is 9x squared minus 10x plus 4.